Hey guys, welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So today we're going to be talking about removing the tail lights. They're very easy. They tend to get banged up or broken from accidents or backing into things. So why not show you how to change it yourself? Each side has 3 bolts, or nuts I should say, and take them off and it pretty much pops right out. You're going to have to wiggle it around a little bit and pull it out, but yeah, it's really easy. So I know these lights are usually fairly expensive, tail lights and headlights. You know, they can run anywhere from $150 to $700, depends on what make and model you have. These are super easy to take out. You might be able to find a good pair at a scrapyard, or if you want to go buy right from Mazda, go ahead. There's many places online you can get them from. Rock Auto could be one, Amazon could be another, eBay. There's many different types of parts stores. So without further ado, hey, I'm going to show you how to do it to make your life a little easier, save you a bit of money, and it's too easy. You get a new light too. Alright, so right here, you can see I have 1, 2, and 3 nuts. I'm going to take those off right now, and then all you have to do is disconnect your wiring harness, which actually I'll do right now just to make it a little easier. So that's all it is. Press on that little tab and just pull out. Same for this one. So all you have to remember is the yellow's on the bottom and the silver or gray is on the top. So now I'm going to undo these nuts. Probably going to need 2 hands to do this. All you have to do is just wiggle. Just have to wiggle it off. You're going to have to pull back because, as you can see right here, it connects right in here and it slides back. So, and you also have this this piece right here that kind of locks it in to prevent it from moving around and stuff before you get the bolts. Help to align everything. So that's all it is to take off the headlight. The other side is the exact same procedure. That's all there is. If you want, I'll show you how to reinstall it. Super easy. Everybody can do it themselves. I'll show you how to do that right now. So first step, obviously, I'm just going to take it and push it back in. Make sure it feels seated. I think that's good. And now we're going to go back inside and put those nuts back on. Then all you have to do is just tighten it down with your ratchet wrench. I use the 10 mil long socket and a small extension, and then we're just going to tighten it down. Just snug. It's good. That's good. That's good. So that's all there is to it. You can have a quick peek and see everything's all connected. Everything looks good. Last thing you have to do is just put this piece back on, and that's all there is. So if you like my video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe and keep tuned to watching my other videos coming every week.